How good looking are you? But maybe more importantly, how good sounding are you? Your voice is just as unique as how you look, and people you meet will judge you consciously or subconsciously on how you sound. Have you got an attractive, resonant voice that others enjoy listening to? Or maybe you have got a nice voice in there somewhere, but your lack of confidence prevents it from coming out. You see, these two things are linked. People who are too shy to communicate effectively get left out of conversations, don't get invited out places, and certainly find it difficult, if not impossible, to make those vital first overtures to hook up with people they're attracted to. But things don't have to be that way. I know that in 30 days or less, anyone can learn vital skills to develop a richer, more confident voice and learn practical coping mechanisms for banishing shyness and boosting confidence to actually use that great new voice. So what's holding you back? Let me help you and take you through daily steps over a month where you'll see and hear improvements in the way you sound and interact with other people. My team and I have created a 30-day course with a video for you to watch every day containing essential tips and tricks and voice and confidence enhancing exercises. You simply watch each day's video, make notes and do the daily exercises. Some are voice training tasks, some a bit like confidence challenges in the real world that may take you outside your comfort zone a little, but don't worry, you can take things at your own pace. Look, you're welcome to check out some material for yourself before you commit by following the link, but let me give you very quickly 6 general things most people don't do, leading to poor voice quality and low confidence. 1. First of all, most people don't breathe properly. If you haven't trained yourself to breathe from the diaphragmatic area, you're missing out on vital oxygen for your body as well as power for your voice. Most people don't drink enough. I mean, plain unmessed about with pure water. Dehydration makes you desperately tired, makes you dizzy and faint, dries up your poor vocal folds. No wonder your voice suffers. Thirdly, so many people mumble. What did you say? Pretend you have a volume dial, turn up your voice power by 20%, and suddenly people stop asking you to repeat yourself. Fourthly, people think they're going to be able to find the love of their life in probably the worst places possible, yeah? Busy and noisy bars and clubs. No. If you do meet someone you're attracted to in a crazy, noisy place, pretend the racket is giving you a headache and invite them somewhere nearby, quieter, where they can hear your lovely new voice, and you've got them on your own as well. 5. A lot of people don't actually know what their optimal resonant note is. If only they could de-stress themselves to relax the muscles around the neck, shoulders and throat, train themselves to naturally start speaking on this particular tone. 6. So many people whine on about how they think they're not popular, even though they're communicating loads with people all day in the workplace, at college or whatever, in the street. But being a great speaker also means being a great listener as well. Maybe you're yabbering on too much about yourself. Listen to others, care about their day, their problems in life, and so on. Often in conversation, less is more. So what's in the course? It covers voice depth and resonance, clarity, posture, attitude, breathing, understanding your own volume limits at both ends of the scale, how to make your speech sparkle, come alive, body language tips, fitness, vocal performance, improving lung capacity, slowing down gabbling, tackling stammering, stress busters, conversation tips, killing a monotone voice. Have I forgotten anything? Look, probably. Check out the course called Voice Training, 30 Days to a More Confident, Powerful Voice, and take the first steps towards transforming your voice and boosting your confidence in life.